Hello, today I'm going to show you one awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this JF.EGWO 6000A jump starter. It's a battery pack for up to 13 liter of gasoline engine and the same up to 13 liter diesel engine. And this is a lot. It's possible to jumpstart with that device here, big fat engines. Wow. 12 volt portable heavy duty car jump starter, 65 watt two-way fast charging and DC output. That means you can use it as a power bank, a really strong power bank too. It's for all 12 volt autos battery boosted jump box here. It's the most powerful lithium jump starter designed for the largest heavy-duty and most challenging engine starts ever. With over 6,000 amps of starting power, it can jumpstart 13-liter gasoline and 13-liter diesel engines, and of course the smaller versions too. It jumpstarts almost every type of vehicle and equipment, including semi-trucks up to Class 8, motorhomes, coaches, buses, mining, agriculture, construction, and vocational equipment, 6, 8, 12 and 16 cylinder and more. No prop for that really cool device here. It's a power pack by JF.EGWO jump starter. Oh yeah. Safely connect to a 12 volt battery without our mistake-proof design features spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. Safe and easy to use battery jump starter pack without the worry of incorrect connections. Really cool. Or a box. It is IP65 waterproof and dustproof and 1.5 meter drop proof. It can work at extreme low temperature of minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. We don't have to worry about not being able to use it in the winter time. The jump starter battery pack has really nearly everything what you need in a case of emergency. The 6000 ampere jump starter is equipped with 65 watt USB-C charging technology that combined with power delivery gives us a lightning fast recharge. It goes from 0% to jump starting in just 4 minutes for charge. We can also charge this jump starter battery pack through the Type-C port using our own 65 watt fast charger wall charger, for example. This car jumper is also a car power station that is equipped with a PD 65 watt two-way charging port. That means we have the possibility of 5 volts, 3 ampere, 9 volts, 3 ampere, 12 volts, 3 ampere, 20 volts, 3.25 ampere, or USB-C output ports, 5 volts, 3 ampere, 9 volts, 2 ampere, 12 volt, 1.5 ampere, and a USB output. 5 volts, 2.4 ampere, and including one DC port with 15 volt and 10 ampere. With PD 65 watt power delivery, we can enjoy 6 times faster charging for any devices. The power bank provides 65 watt of power, both in and out, to effortlessly power our favorite USB-C devices like phones, tablets, laptops, wearables, and more. And it's multifunction. This portable lithium car battery jump starter pack has a 3.7 inches informative light emitted diode screen, clearly to show product status, so we can know when to start the car intuitively. This car battery booster is a 600 lumen LED light with 3 modes too, SOS, spotlight and strobe. The car battery charger jump starter has a force booster function. So you can see here it makes possible to restart nearly every engine out there. We have a power button. If we tap there, double click to turn the unit on or off. Then we have the LED light button. We click to turn the light on and click to select the different modes or turn the light off by clicking once. We have more. There is a do not start warning. If it is shown you, we do not start the car when the sign is displayed. and a wattage display. This displays the current charging or discharging wattage. And we have an operation indicator. After the product is turned on, the word ready will be displayed and it's ready to use. We have a high temperature warning. We do not start the car when the sign is flashing. A low temperature warning. We do not start the car when that signal is flashing. We have a low power warning. When low is displayed, it's forbidden to start the car too. We have an internal battery level. It will flash when charging. We do not use any function of the product at this time while it is recharged. And we have fast charge. LED lights up when we are enabled to charging and the fast charging option. We have battery indicator. This displays the current power when charging to it turns off, and it will automatically turn off when the full charge is completed to save energy. There are 3 modes of light: lightning, flash, and SOS. It will show you. We charge the item for 1.5 hours before the first use. Then we recharge it every 3 months if it hasn't not been used. We do not use it while it is charging. We do not start the vehicle if the warning of low power or high temperature or low temperature is flashing. We do not start the vehicle more than 5 times non-stop if the car won't start. Remove the battery clamp and make sure that the power left in the unit is 20% or more. We do not put the item on a near flammable object. We use it in near water. We do not use it in or near the water itself. We do not disassemble or try to repair the product because it is it's a device which works and works and works. How we start? Easy. We double click the power button to turn on the unit. If there is ready appears, the device can be started normally except for a jump starter. If no other function is used within 30 seconds, the screen will automatically turn off. Then we plug the cable into the jump port on the left side. If the blue light turns on, we are all set and we are ready. But if we see the red light and hear an alert, it means the unit's power is low. We should recharge it first and then we try again. We clip the red clamp onto the positive terminal and the black clamp on the negative terminal of the battery, to start the battery of our car. This should cause a click sound and green lights to turn on. If an alert in red lights appears, we simply switch the clamps to resolve the issue. Then we start the car. Once started, remove the cable from the unit within 30 seconds. We can now remove the clamps. Great job, baby! And then we are ready to go back with the car on the street. By JF.EGWO 6000A jump starter battery brings us on the road again nearly every time, because often in the dark and in the winter time the batteries does not have so much power more left, and then you have problems with restarting your device. So it's a good thing to have such a power pack in your car all day long. This is really cool because this device here is so strong. It is for garage, for DIY, and for everyday use while we are on vacation trip, road trip, or something else. It helps you to restart your engine without another car, without another battery, because everything what you need is inside here. We have the red clamp for the positive terminal, the black clamp for the negative terminal, and then we can start your engine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.